Hey everybody, we're over here at the site of construction for Envision Science Academy, checking out the progress. Let's see what's going on. As you can see, it looks like they got most of the walls up. All that bracing. I can see there's a concrete pad in the back. It looks like it doesn't have any walls up on it yet. There's that big crane in the back. I'm guessing they're probably still trying to lift some of the walls up with wall panels with that. See if we can see what they're doing. Yeah, they're doing some wall panels in the back right now. I can hear them with that drill. Using the support, screwing in those support braces. And they're doing one panel back there right now. See if we can zoom in. There's the crane holding up the panel. So they've got most of this building up front done. I'd say almost all the walls are completed in this front building, and it looks like there's another building back there that they haven't started yet on with the walls. So it's looking good. From here you can see the whole size of the campus. I'm standing on, as you can see, on the other side of this traffic circle. I can't even get the whole picture in without doing that. It's going to be pretty substantial.